Are you feeling tired, stiff, or just off, even when you're eating right and trying to stay healthy? That's inflammation quietly running the show. It doesn't always hurt. Sometimes it just drains you, slows you down, or messes with your skin. The good news? You can turn it down naturally, every single day, with 5 simple habits. And one of them is something you're probably skipping right now. Here's the thing most people miss. Inflammation isn't your enemy. It's your body's fire alarm, calling in help when something's wrong. When you injure your knee, your immune system floods the area to protect and rebuild. But when that alarm never shuts off, it becomes the fire itself. That's when you start to feel older than you are, heal slower, or deal with random flare-ups that seem to have no cause. The problem isn't inflammation. It's that your body can't find the off switch. But you can. These next 5 habits flip that switch back to calm. Habit 1, hydration. Before coffee, before anything, one small thing changes your inflammation levels before the day even starts. That small thing is water. Most of us roll out of bed and go straight for caffeine. After 8 hours of sleep, your cells are running dry. That first glass of water tells every system, wake up and flush out yesterday's waste. Hydration thins your blood just enough to move oxygen and nutrients faster. It also keeps your lymph fluid, your body's internal drain system, from turning sluggish. If you've ever had that foggy morning headache disappear after 2 glasses of water, that's not coincidence. That's circulation coming back online. Try keeping a full glass at your bedside. Lemon for flavor, a pinch of sea salt for minerals. That's optional. What matters is consistency, not volume. Think of water as your body's cleanup crew. No water, no cleanup. When you start the day hydrated, your liver, kidneys, and gut can do their jobs without borrowing energy from the rest of you. Which means less inflammation before breakfast even begins. Habit 2, move but gently. Inflammation loves stagnation. If you sit most of the day, blood and lymph slow down and your system gets sticky. Most people think they need a gym or gear for this. They don't. And skipping it keeps inflammation simmering all day. Think of your body like a river. When water moves, it stays clear. When it sits, debris piles up and things start to smell off. You don't need hour-long workouts, just motion. Stretch while your coffee brews. Walk 10 minutes after lunch. Roll your shoulders between emails. Gentle movement pumps fresh oxygen into your muscles and tells your immune system, we're safe, stand down. That single message lowers inflammatory markers measurably, proven in multiple studies. And here's a secret. The best exercise for inflammation isn't the hardest one. It's the one you'll actually do every day. Habit 3, sip a daily anti-inflammatory tea. This next one tastes good and fights inflammation better than half the supplements on your shelf. Real anti-inflammatory teas don't need fancy packaging. Green tea, turmeric, ginger, chamomile, that's your lineup. Turmeric supports your liver's detox pathways, ginger boosts circulation, and chamomile tells your nervous system to chill. Together, they lower stress chemicals like cortisol, one of inflammation's biggest triggers. Make it a ritual. Boil the water, breathe in the steam, slow down. Those 10 quiet minutes over a warm cup are medicine for more than your cells. They remind your brain you're not in a fight today. Think of it as medicine for your soul. Skip the sugar. Add honey if you want. Drink 1 cup a day, not 10 in a week. Consistency is what turns tea from comfort into therapy. If this kind of real-world health info helps you, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show it to more people who need it. Habit 4, eat color every day. Here's a weird rule that works. No beige plates. Color equals antioxidants, the natural anti-inflammatories built into plants. Deep reds, purples, greens, oranges, those pigments are nature's signal that healing chemistry lives there. If your plate looks like a cardboard box, beige rice, beige bread, beige chicken, you're missing your body's natural defense system. I once coached someone who stopped counting calories and started counting colors. In 2 weeks, her joint swelling dropped and her energy went up. She didn't eat less, she ate brighter. You don't need exotic superfoods. Just add color wherever you can. Berries in oatmeal, spinach in eggs, and sweet peppers in a wrap. Every shade you add turns down the flame of chronic inflammation. So yeah, no beige plates. Habit 5, breathe like you mean it. Stress is gasoline on inflammation. If you think breathing isn't medicine, you've never felt your shoulders drop after one real exhale. Here's the trick. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. That longer exhale flips your parasympathetic switch, the system that tells your body we're safe. And when your body believes it's safe, it stops producing the chemicals that keep inflammation high. Try it right now. Inhale, hold, exhale slowly. Feel that wave of calm? That's your vagus nerve activating, your body's built-in reset button. Do it once a day, in the car, before bed, between meetings. 1 minute of real breathing can undo hours of stress hormones that silently stoke inflammation. Let's wrap up. Stack the small stuff. Hydrate. Move. Drink your tea. Eat your colors. Breathe. Individually, they seem too simple to matter. Together, they change the conversation your body has with itself. You can't control every source of inflammation, but you can make your body a place where it doesn't want to live. Start with one habit this week. Add another next week. Because healing isn't about intensity, it's about rhythm. Find yours, and inflammation has nowhere left to hide. So if this gave you something to think about, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's been doing all the right things but still isn't feeling right. I'm here to talk real solutions, not trends. If you're dealing with chronic skin issues, gut questions, or just want to feel better naturally, this channel's for you. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay tuned to your skin, your health.